Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Y'all, finally got my April Boxycharm. Y'all, I did get the March one, but I got it so late. I decided that it didn't really make sense to even oh yeah, that's my chair. That I didn't think it would make sense to make a video, but quickly I did get the double decker mascara. I got the Make Them Blush in Prime Vixen, which I'm wearing right now. The Boxycharm Pure palette, and oh yeah, the brushes, which are pretty okay, and something else that I can't remember, but I liked it. So I really liked my March box. We're moving on to April. We're in a new month, people. Just got it today, and let's unbox. So technically this isn't my first box. The March one was my first one, but this is my first video, so technically it's still like a first. So okay. Oh, there we go. Dun, 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 dun. What does it say? Boxycharm. And you guys are gonna see before I see it. So there we go. I hope that's in the frame. And ooh, okay, let's see this first, what it says. Gives you like a 10% off, a tart, and a VIP offer with Dr. Brandt. I do have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer. Okay, all right, well, I'll see what that's about later. Ooh, 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 ooh. Eye candy. And it tells me everything that I got. Yes! Okay, I got the palette that I wanted. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, I know you see me, you see a child. Anyways, so the first thing that it has here is the MAC Cosmetics Lip Tensity lipstick. Let's see if I can find that. Yes, I did want the Tarte glow thing, but I think this is better for me because I have a lot of highlighters already, first of all, and two, it might not suit my particular skin tone. I don't know. But let's quickly open up this. This is in the shade Dough. I don't know if it's gonna focus because it's been giving me trouble with focusing all day. So I just did a foundation application and review of the new Sunday Riley Clean Longwear Foundation. It's called the Influencer, and I was shade matched at their event a couple nights ago, and I'm 290. So come on, let's move along. I don't want this to be too long. Ooh, she's pretty. She is pretty. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright. Alright. Since I already have lipstick. Ooh, this is gonna be a nice nude. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. I'm looking at my mirror. That's gonna be so pretty on me. Oh, girl. And it's buttery. Very buttery. And smooth and soft. Let me just wipe that off. Alright. First thing is a hit. Alright, next thing. Don't let me do the palette. Let me do the next. The third thing is the Dr. Brandt's Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner, which I think everyone is supposed to get as well. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but I hope it does. And this is a pore purifying mask. Oh, it has this thing on it. Alright. It's kind of gel like. Huh. No particular scent. I mean, there is a scent, but nothing too heavy. The next thing, oh well, this is gonna be good because I need skincare anyways, and my pores need to be minimized, trust me. I see the next thing is the Brow Gal Insta Tint Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Okay, it says it has microfibers, which helps to achieve a natural hair look. Okay, all right. Let's quickly take the safety seal off. Oh, I actually got it on the first try because I'm telling y'all, sometimes this takes me forever to get off. All right, there we go, the Brow Gal. All right, so my phone decided to stop, and this is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks, I'm assuming, and this is in the shade Light Hairs 3, which is not going to be for me, but what can I do? So this is kind of a disappointment because this would have been really good, since it says that it has like microfibers to help achieve a more natural look. Really? Anyways, let's move this along. This is like a big disappointment, but what could I do? Next we have the, what is this? Jelly Pong Pong All Over Glow Luminizer Gel. Okay, let's try this. I actually already filmed this part, but the camera decided to stop on its own, so now I'm refilming. But yeah, this does work. Ooh. But I feel like it's not as intense as I would have liked it. I feel like I would have to put too much on, and I don't always want to put a lot of product on my skin just to get the desired effect. It's good, it's just that I have a lot of other highlighters that are better than this. Anyways, and last but certainly not least, we have the palette that I wanted. Yes, Lord, thank you. We have the Element of Surprise palette, and it comes in a nice box. It's from ColourPop, and it has all the different shades. So it has Feels, Late Night, Silk, Straight, Rayon, Go With the Flow, Subdue, Opulent, Labyrinth, Blank Canvas, Sea Stars, Details, and Peace of Mind. I did swatch this before, but these colors are, this pink, oh my gosh, is amazing. Look at this gold. Whoo. And who else should I, let me take this. So buttery, so lovely. So this, I'm looking in the mirror. Yeah, those swatches are messy, but I hope you could see the intensity of them all. I think I took off a bit too much with this one. Let me just tone it down. Yeah, much better. So these are the shades a bit more focused. And these are the shades in the pan. So pretty. Yeah, so I had to switch the camera to the front camera. Anyways, I would say I really liked this whole box. The only disappointment was the brow gal because the shade is nowhere near catered toward me. That was the only thing that, in my opinion, wasn't catered toward me. So overall, the box is like 4.2. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but my box is the variant number 6. So yeah, just a quick little recap of everything that I got and the prices. So the MAC lipstick was $21, the Element of Surprise palette was $16, Dr. Brandt was $47, the brow gel was $22, and the luminizer gel was $15.95. And I will definitely insert the total. And yeah, that's all for now. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, comment, subscribe, leave constructive criticism, whatever you feel like saying. It doesn't even have to be constructive, but do subscribe, which would be somewhere on your right. And to the left, you could check out some of the previous videos that I've done before. And I will definitely see you all in my next video. Bye.